This is a powerful, handheld, multifunctional solar lamp flashlight, one of the most important survival tools that every person and family needs to have. This flashlight is useful for a wide variety of everyday tasks and is absolutely vital in the event of an emergency. This is a piece of information about the specifications of this tool. This unit is supplied with a USB power cable for recharging it through an AC electrical outlet. It is lightweight and portable, easy to carry, easy to use. This is its solar panel, so you can recharge this unit using solar energy. And it's also a power bank, so you can charge your phone with this. It has two buttons, this and this. This is suitable for home use and outdoor night lighting. This button has two light modes. And the other button too. But you can combine these basic light modes to have stronger light modes. Now let's see the performance of this unit outdoor. It's a nice flashlight. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.